typical day is going to look like. We'll probably arrive at the shop around 6 o'clock, kind of daybreak. We will pull our iPads up, get our field list for the day with all our acreage, and then load the trailers up, go out to the field and start our spraying application.
What's helped me in my internship roll through the College of Ag? I would definitely say a lot of my ASM classes, just looking at the different types of technology and equipment and understanding like what goes all into planting and harvesting this crop, and now the spraying part as well. And just understanding how it all goes together has helped a lot.
I hope to take away the knowledge of chemicals and drones, kind of both, and how they work hand in hand, and how they're going to have a major impact on the ag community in the future. It's something it's on the rise, and to have the knowledge of that at a young age and early on into it is something that's very important.
So I'd say with this internship, anybody that's interested in agriculture and chemicals within ag, and especially drone use within ag, it's something that you need to look into and maybe think about giving a try, because it's amazing the technology they use and the experience you'll have. And it's crazy to see how many people are interested in these compared to planes and helicopters and the ground rigs, and they're going to take over soon, and you'll see a lot more of them.